Does your Fiat, Jeep, Dodge with a multi-air engine sometimes sound like it's cranking over with no compression after it's sat for a long time? Well, that's because your multi-air brake has drained of all its oil. The system uses oil to actuate the intake valves. With no oil, the valves won't open and you don't get any compression. And sometimes you can just keep cranking the engine and it'll eventually fill up the brick and catch, but you don't want to burn up your starter. So here's a trick for that. Remove your oil filler nozzle and look down inside the neck and you'll see a tiny little round thing that's got a ball valve in the middle of it. That's the multi-air bleeder valve. Take something long and stick down in there and just barely depress that little ball. Do it gently and don't press hard. As you can see, as I'm depressing, a little bit of oil is coming up out of there. If you can get someone to crank the car while you're doing this, you'll find oil squirting up out of that hole, and then you know your multi-air brake is primed. I'm an idiot and didn't press record whenever I was cranking it, but you can see oil kind of sprayed out a little bit and, oh, it's running. So there you go.